Welcome back to the Code Engineer. In today's Python tutorial, we are going to learn about bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to perform operations on individual bits. That's why we can say it is a bitwise operators. The bitwise operators are bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, left shift, right shift, one's complement. These are all some of the operators in bitwise. Now we will see one by one. First one is bitwise AND. We already know about the AND truth table. Under truth table, all the conditions are true. That's the output will be true. Otherwise, the result will be false. Here, we will see an example. For example, the integer value 5 and integer value 3. First of all, we want to convert the decimal number equal to binary value. We already know how to convert the decimal value into binary. For example, 8421, 8421. Suppose the number is too large, you can add a 16. It is a 2 power zeros, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. We can, the 4 plus 1, that is 5, remaining values are 0. The 5 equivalent value is 4 plus 1, that is 5. That's why we can put 1 here, 1 here also, 1 here also. Remaining are 0. The 5 equivalent binary value is 101. Same as we can convert 3. What are the bits are added to 3 means here I can change the, suppose I'm going to 2 plus 1, that is equivalent to 3. So remaining values are 0. So 3 decimal equivalent to binary value is 11, and 5 equivalent value is 101. You can convert any decimal to binary in easy way. You can use this method, that is a 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 5. Okay. Now we will go to example 5 and 3. 5 and 3. 5 equivalent value 1, 0, 1, that is 5 equal to 5. 3 equivalent value is 3 equivalent to binary value is 1, 1. Before that we can add 0. Now we will perform AND operation here because it is AND operation. We know already truth table of AND. The A and B are 1, the output will be 1. Now we will go 1, 1 is output 1, 0, 1 output 0, 1, 0 the output 0, and the result of 5 and 3 is 0, 1, 1 equivalent to 1 because 8421 we can apply 4, 2, 1. It is a binary value. We can convert into decimal value. That is 1 is the result. Now we will check the result in Python. I will give some other examples. You can calculate and comment your result. 8 and 6. Second one. 3 and 5. Third one 12 and 7. Print bitwise and 5 and 3. The result already we calculated. The result will be 1. Now we will check. Run this code. The output will be 1.